Hey folks, Adam here, and today we're looking at this. It's a fantastic Pelonis fan. This is the #1 best-selling box fan on Amazon and in the marketplace, and this thing is absolutely fantastic. So I have a little bit to tell you about how this thing saved the day for me, how powerful it is, and how amazing it is. I'm in the gym. It's home gym right now. It's in my garage. And I use this if I'm doing bench press, if I'm working out, turn it towards me, because I live here in Florida and this garage gets to be about 115 degrees during the day. This thing saves my life. Have it pointed at you while you're doing workout, makes a huge difference in the overall temperature. Now, if you've considered some of those other fancy fans, those tower fans and whatever, forget about it. If you really want to move some air, there's absolutely nothing that can replace the power just of a big boxy fan. And this thing, forced perspective here, but is a big fan, so you're gonna love it. So why did I buy this fan? Originally we were building a studio, a recording studio for all of our videos. Again, Florida, it's a second floor unit. The studio was gonna be on the second floor. It was completely unbuilt out, no air conditioning, and we had the drywaller guys in. They were sweating buckets and they were walking off the job site saying they weren't going to do it anymore. We picked up 2 of these, put one in a window in each side of the studio, and we're cycling air through the studio. It dropped the temperature by 25 degrees. Made a huge difference in their daily life, and we would have never got the place drywalled if it wasn't for 2 of these Pelonis fans. Now, I bought them just blindly, just thinking, okay, here's a good fan, whatever. Didn't realize what a big difference it would make. So I kept them. I wound up having air conditioning work done. Put them up there, they loved it. Those guys decided to get 2 for themselves for air conditioning jobs in the future. Before there's air conditioning, they want 2 of these fantastic box fans. So I'll tell you, my drywall guys, big fans of Pelonis. My air conditioning guys who deal in air conditioning for a living, who know fans, decided this is what they want for their jobs before the air conditioning goes in. This makes a difference. Put this in a window, open the window, huge amount of air going through. If you're trying to dry out a house, maybe there was a spill, something like that, you just want to get some air circulating, it's going to be a big, big improvement. Put one in each window. If you just want a lot of air cycling through, this is going to be a big deal and it's going to make a real difference. Now it does have 3 speeds. You can turn it way down if you want. It's not too loud, and that's a nice thing about it. Some fans are ridiculously loud. You couldn't hear me in this video having a fan this close blowing at the speakers. It's not super loud, but it does move a tremendous amount of air. So Pelonis has been around for decades. They're a fantastic company. Simple, easy to use, comes all together. No assembly required, Amazon Prime, which means free shipping, free returns, and that A to Z guarantee. So you'll never be disappointed with Pelonis. I've had mine for over 2 years now. It's still pumping air. You know, it's got a little bit of drywall spackle on it, and it's got a little bit of scratches where people have dropped it and whatever. It takes a licking and it keeps on ticking. Okay? Still works just fine, okay? I'm not worried about this. We've dropped it 100 times, we've jammed it, we've messed with it. It is a great device. You never have to worry about it. So folks, if I'm gonna put my seal of approval on one fan, Pelonis. They do a great job. Pelonis, a great company, a great fan. You're absolutely gonna love it. Thanks for watching and say it with me. Adios, amigos.